And the question is, debit balance as per cash book as on 31st December 2016, 8,000. Cash directly deposited by customer 1,300. Interest collected by bank directly 1,400. Direct payment of telephone bill made by bank on behalf of customer 1,500. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2016. Let's take all the items one by one. Debit balance as per cash book. It's a new thing for you. Previously, we were discussing about balance as per cash book or balance as per passbook. Balance as per cash book or balance as per passbook was simply positive balance or favorable balance. But now it's a new phrase for you. Debit balance as per cash book. Let's see what is the meaning of debit balance. It means if you look at the cash book, the bank column balance was on credit side, means by balance CD, and it was 8,000 in the bank column on credit side. If there is debit balance means the total of the debit side is higher than the total of credit side. Means debit balance means debit side is more dominating. So whenever the debit side is higher in the cash book, it means this is positive balance. So if there is any debit balance as per cash book, that will be treated as positive balance or favorable balance. But be careful, if there is credit balance as per cash book, that will be treated as unfavorable balance or negative balance. Negative balance means this is overdraft by the customer from the bank, means bank has given temporary loan to the customer. That is the meaning of overdraft. So debit balance as per cash book means plus balance, and credit balance as per cash book means minus balance, means negative balance. In the same way, if there is debit balance as per cash book is positive balance, but if there is debit balance as per passbook, that will be negative balance, means minus balance. I've already told you that cash book and passbook, both transactions are on mirror image. So naturally no need to say if the debit balance as per cash book is positive, then debit balance as per passbook will be negative. Let's take another item. I told you credit balance as per cash book is a negative balance. If there is credit balance as per passbook, that will be positive balance. You might be getting confused, and sometimes it becomes difficult to remember all these things. Okay, let me give you some shortcut and short trick so that you never forget about all these things. When I say debit balance as per cash book, take the D from debit balance and C from cash book, means DC. DC means debit balance as per cash book, that is plus balance, and credit balance as per cash book is negative balance. Credit balance means C. I have taken C from credit, and next C is from the cash book, means CC is always minus and DC is always positive. Now debit balance as per passbook. Let's take D from the debit and P from the passbook, means DP. DP is always minus. And then credit balance as per passbook. Let's take C from the credit and P from the passbook, means CP is always positive. It means DC and CP are always positive. DC means, let's create one phrase so that we don't forget. Deputy Commissioner and Commissioner of Police means DC and CP. They are positive, all others are negative. So be careful, Deputy Commissioner and Commissioner of Police, both are positive, other are negative. So in this way, debit balance as per cash book means D from debit and C from cash book. It means DC, Deputy Commissioner. This is positive balance. So debit balance as per passbook, we will write down 8,000 on the plus items on the positive side. Now the question is, balance as per cash book is given and we have to reach to passbook. Means our journey will start from cash book and we have to finish our journey at passbook. So when we make the graphic of T, CB on left hand side and PB on right hand side, the arrow will start from cash book to passbook. It means we have to add or deduct in the cash book so that we can reach passbook. So first item, cash directly deposited by customer, rupees 1,300. What it means? Maybe we sold some goods to the customers and we had to receive the money, and on the due date, the customer, instead of coming to our office, he directly went to the bank and deposited cash in our account because he knew our bank account number and the bank address. So in this way, what will happen? The bank will accept the cash and deposit the cash in our account, means will increase our bank balance. So actually what happened? There was plus 1,300 in the passbook. It was a plus item, but there was nothing in the cash book. It means bank deposited cash in our account, increased the balance, but the accountant of the firm was not aware about it. It means the customer didn't inform us that I have paid your cash in your account. So there was nothing in cash book, but passbook was showing plus 1,300. Now the question is, we have to start from cash book and we have to reach passbook. It means what should be added or deducted in the cash book so that we can be equal to passbook. It will be plus 1,300. Means if you add 1,300 in the cash book, the total on both sides will be equal. That will be plus 1,300 and plus 1,300. So our answer is plus 1,300. So in bank reconciliation statement, cash directly deposited by customer 1,300. Next item, interest collected by bank directly. What it means? It means we had some investment in some other company and we get interest maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year, and instead of getting the check of interest from the company and then go to the bank, deposit the check, instead of that, we had instructed our company where we have invested money that don't pay money or don't send us any check, deposit our interest straightway in our bank account. And in this way, the interest was collected by the bank directly from our company, means the company in which we have invested our surplus money. So what will happen? When bank collects interest or dividend or anything on our behalf, so bank will increase our balance by that amount, and the same thing happened. But the accountant of the firm was not aware about this transaction, that interest has been collected by the bank, or might be the bank gave us some message and we missed that message. It might be due to miscommunication. So 1,400, it means bank was showing plus 1,400 and cash book was showing nothing. Let's come to our graphic. Cash book on left hand side, passbook on right hand side, means CB and PB. So there was plus item of plus 1,400 in the passbook and cash book was showing nothing. Now the question is, what should be added or deducted from cash book that the total on both sides is equal? Because passbook is showing plus 1,400 and cash book is showing 0. So what should we add? 1,400 in the cash book. So if we put the item of plus 1,400 in cash book, the totals on both sides will be equal and our answer will be 1,400. So come on the bank reconciliation statement. Interest collected by bank directly 1400 on plus side. Next item. Direct payment of telephone bill made by bank on behalf of customer 1500. You know, nowadays bank is providing a lot of facilities. If you want to pay your telephone bill, electricity bill, club bill or other things, bank can pay on your behalf. It means we instructed our bank to pay our telephone bills regularly and the bank paid. And their amount was 1500. Whenever bank pays our bill, bank takes money from our account. So it means bank took 1500 from our account. Means there was minus 1500 in the passbook, but there was nothing in the cash book. We can assume that we instructed the bank to pay our telephone bill, but we forgot to note it down in our cash book. So cash book was 0 and passbook was minus 1500. So our arrow is from cash book to passbook. It means what should be added or deducted from cash book so that we can reach the balance of passbook. And the balance of passbook is minus 1500. So what should be added or deducted from the cash book? That is minus 1500. In this way, the total on both sides will be minus 1500. So our answer will be minus 1500. So number 3, direct payment of telephone bill made by bank on behalf of customer 1500. And the total on both sides, I mean to say plus and minus. Plus is 10,700 and minus is 1,500. So one thing is clear, that plus total is higher. It means our answer will be balance as per. I have already told you, in any question, if the total on minus side is higher, then our answer will be overdraft as per, because that says it is negative balance. So balance as per 9,200 and 9,200 will be written on plus side. But we started our question from cash book and it will end at passbook. So answer will be balance as per passbook 9,200.